Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this. This is a humidor. So this is for all you cigar lovers out there. I'm going to show you guys what this is and how it works. And it'll be a nice little demonstration here. I went to Cuba a few months ago and my kids bought a bunch of cigars. And I think they've probably all gone bad by now because they weren't in a humidor. But let's see what we got here. Let's see how we get this out. It comes well packed with lots of styrofoam and plastic. We can get this out of here. There we go. And there's the box. So this is what it looks like here. Boy, they have the tightest plastic ever on here. I don't know how they ever put it on. They must have shrink wrapped it back on there. Okay, so here we go. So this is what it looks like here. Hopefully y'all can see it. Let me aim you down slightly. Move my sink out of the way. Ooh, pretty. So this is what it looks like there. There is a little cord here with some sort of switch. I'm guessing that's a light for it. So let's plug that in and see what that looks like. Comes with a little nugget as well, which is nice. Yeah, so we have a nice little light there. And here is little, let's see, how do we do this? Is this the humidity sensor? See what we need to do to get this going. There we go. So there's our little temperature and humidity sensor there. And here's, I think these are going to be some filter devices or water holders, and there's some other stuff there. And here's our user manual. So let's see what we got. There isn't a whole lot here, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's the front, and here's the back. It just says wipe it clean, and put all these things in here. This one here, what is that? Oh, you can replace the LED light if you want to, but here are your little, I guess these are the humidifier things. I don't know where these go. Maybe just in the bottom there. I'll look it up here in a second and let you know. Do not remove the gauge installed. It was fixed on the humidor and the gauge is installed. It's pre-calibrated, so there we go. So there we go, and then here's a little dropper, I guess, to put some of the liquid back in there, to put it in there if you need it. But hey, look at this. It's a nice little humidor. It looks nice wood grain finish, and it's Mojgar. And look at how pretty that looks. So if you have some cigars, you can have a nice little thing here. These slide out. You can put even the box of the cigars in there. It's a really nice little setup here. So I'm going to say this is super cool. And if you look at it, it's about as deep as, I guess you can put your cigars long ways if you have those, or sideways if you go that way. So nice little setup here. And it's the Cigar Humidor. So there you go. You can keep your cigars humid and you're good to go. So I like this. Thumbs up for me.